Hey guys, welcome to this module where we are going to be talking about site setup. So now that we've done all the planning for the site and we've taken the time to do a lot of market research, it's time to finally start putting the website together. And that's what we're going to be doing in this module. So let's jump on the lesson list so I can show you what's coming up. So first, we're going to work on picking up a domain name, and we're going to talk about branding here. So we're going to show you a couple of tools you can use and the way we structure our domains, how to find a .com domain, that kind of stuff. Then we're going to talk about WordPress and hosting setup. We've picked something that's kind of 80-20, so not too expensive, quite easy to set up and easy to maintain. Then we're going to talk about WordPress basic settings, so how to set, the first things to do when you finish installing WordPress, what to change, stuff like permalinks and so on. Then we're going to talk about WordPress themes, what kind of WordPress themes are the types of themes that you should be using for these kind of sites, what to look for in a WordPress theme, and some recommendations. Then we are going to talk about branding, because as we install our WordPress theme, we need to start applying fonts and colors and so on, but this hasn't been done yet. So we are going to spend a whole lesson working on brand colors, brand fonts, logos, etc. And once we have done that, then we're going to have a lesson on applying that branding to your theme and making your site look branded. Then we're going to talk about analytics and SEO setup. So install Google Analytics, Google Webmasters Console, SEO plugins, etc., etc. We are also going to be doing the email setup in this module. The reason why is because we need a good email setup for outreach link building, and Mark is going to need it in the link building module. So we're going to set this up now. I'm going to show you the technical details, and everything's going to be up and ready. And then I'm going to show you a bunch of missed plugins. I reserve myself the right to update this lesson and add more or less, etc. But things like image compressor plugins and just text editor stuff, etc. I'm going to show you that. Then we're going to set up the core pages together, so the contact page, the privacy policy page, the about page, etc. And then anything that is extra, I'll put it in a live site building lesson where you see me just do a bunch of Elementor stuff, mostly finishing to put the site together. So the goal at the end of this module is to have your site more or less ready for content upload. The last few lessons will actually be recorded after I'm done uploading the content, just because it's going to be more visual for you, but I wanted to put them in this module. But we want to have a site that's ready to have content on by the end of this module, and then you'll be able to start content with Mark. So I hope you will enjoy this module, and I'll see you in the first lesson. Have a good day.